Director ke Health and Services Dr. Amanwar hakasi palay mentakatayo ula pensyai bakamdani ay kumkata banjur ki bapang haki thanyong kendong ulong baki positive case ki dangdon bat kajia bit ka dangdon namar baki briu ki dangel yawan ni yakendu briu hindre kamdei pat hadu uput jong kejingma Dr. War ulai thuru bo variant jong coronavirus ubadan hake jala megalaya ude wastat bahabanpur kumta bon ki bebit hindre uang bahag ju kaporu ki bon ki bakoit pat.
It's only that because we are still having positive cases, it means that mingling is still there, it is still spreading. But that surge which you are saying, it's not up to the extent which is alarming. No, see, I think that has already been told that we have variants of concern. So that stays. And this, the only peculiarity here is this. Now, this transmits very fast. Okay, we get a lot of positive cases, but you will see that there are a lot of recoveries. The only situation here is that when the cases they reach to a stage where it is irreversible, the pathology is irreversible, then we have a problem. Even if they come to the hospital, we have tried our best, okay, and still they succumb.
Ulaban hang ni bakajing aitika ka dei tangkawi ka lat ka bala banyada na kajing sapriang ka ni ka klam ringkat bakajing bot thik pathik iki kindon kum kajing deng mas kajing saikti bar kajing penia jingai iwei nei wei
to prevent the disease going into an irreversible stage. Number one is the vaccination, so that your immunity attacks the virus as soon as it enters the body. Okay, and there are no future reactions which will cause the patient to reach a stage where it's irreversible. That is number one. Number two is that the health protocols. Now we are releasing at the same time the instruction of the three cardinal instructions which we have given: mask, sanitization, and physical or social distancing. That has to be maintained. That's how we have to fight. There's no other way. We have the vaccination, that's how we fight. And see, with this vaccination, we have seen that there are so many cases with the first dose. Okay, when they contract the virus, the course of the disease is such that it is only mildly symptomatic. And even if they have comorbidities, they have to be hospitalized. They are coming out of it. If we compare that with the people who have not been vaccinated, I think it's a big difference. And that is why we're having so much mortality on that.
Ulong babenta ki breu kilas dang ban mi chakmat na kabenta ban shemya katika
1,000 per day. Now you have seen there's more than 1,000 per day. So people are coming out. And we are going with the IEC. And I'll tell you one thing, there is a rumor being spread that it causes infertility. There are people, I will tell you, who have been vaccinated twice. Okay, some nurses, they have conceived now. So what question of infertility that does not arise?
Hagabai de bagajing duna hakaliang kerukom sumar ki khelung khana Dr. War ulong ba wat hakiri ki ba biang lut na dong shudong ru dang bon ki bayap uang ba kapakong san ka de banya kun new virus upriang ba ki doktor ki dang duna ba hakani ka benta hindre nakaliang ka trar ka koi ka khia kala aji ka ye baro ki doktor kumno banya le persha lada wan biang ka jingling shop jong ka khlam.
It is how we prevent the transmission of the virus. You see, in the Western countries, they've got the best of everything, but still, the death rate is very high. Now, if you say that we have to have the infrastructure to provide the treatment in case it comes, that we are ramping up. That is going on. It is a continuous process. Wherever we are seeing where it's lacking, we are doing that. Now, pediatricians, yes. I think pediatricians, if you say in a particular metropolitan also, there are many pediatricians, but compared with you compare that with the population, they still have meager. Okay, here what we are doing now is that for management of pediatric cases, now we are training all our doctors, irrespective of what specialty, to be able to manage pediatric cases in case we get such cases in the future.